With this model, students can vividly see how seasons work, the phases of the moon, as well as eclipses. The main disk shows the different months, seasons as defined by the Northern Hemisphere, as well as the different equinoxes. The first thing that you want to do is to remove the clip that holds the on button for the sun. Next, position the sun on the disk and make sure it goes onto the center post and on the pointing dial on the edge. Now that the sun is mounted, you can turn it on, and no matter where you turn it, the LED light will always be pointed directly at the Earth. To make the system move, you simply hold the base firmly and slowly move the handle. Right now the system is set up to be in June, which is the Northern Hemisphere summer, and you can see that the Earth is tilted towards the sun. Also, more importantly, when we are having summer in the Northern Hemisphere, the Southern Hemisphere is tilted away, so this is their winter. On the opposite end of the spectrum, when we are in the winter position, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, giving us our winter, and while we are having winter, the Southern Hemisphere is pointed towards the sun, and they are experiencing summer. The platform underneath the Earth shows the different phases of the moon, so you can have the students describe and view what a full moon and a half moon looks like. When you turn the lights off, you can also vividly demonstrate how you have day on one side and night on the other. For the phases of the moon, you have to imagine that you're actually sitting on the Earth. So when you look at the moon, you're only seeing half of the moon illuminated. Again, with the lights off, you can move it so the moon is casting a shadow on the Earth, so you can demonstrate a solar eclipse. You can also demonstrate a lunar eclipse by having the Earth cast a shadow onto the moon. So now you see it, now you don't.